which one full bench says categorical terms is a good law, the other full bench in categorical terms says it's a bad law.
But does it refer to the earlier judgment? See, that's a distinction made here. If there are two independent decisions, then there's a problem. Because obviously the second judgment has not even followed the earlier judgment. Being a coordinate bench, they are supposed to follow it.
But it has been referred.
So if it is not followed, then it becomes a problem. But suppose it has referred to it, it has given its own reasons, then the subsequent judgment comes into play. But if it's an independent judgment, then the earlier judgment comes into play.
But in para 4,
You have to follow.
Jabalpur Bus Association was not been referred in that.
Huh?
It has not been referred with.
No, it need not be referred, but the law precedents how you have to follow it. Here it is very clear. So this Balbir Singh's judgment was overruled.
I beg your pardon.
Balbir Singh's judgment was not accepted by the full bench. They say if there are two judgments of, that's what they said in Balbir Singh's case, if there are two judgments of stating the same law, then which appears to state the law more elaborately and more accurately and in conformity with the scheme of the act has to be accepted. That view was negated. Which obviously means that you cannot sit in judgments over two benches which are of higher jurisdiction than yours. Was negated. The judgment of a higher court is binding on you, whether you like it or you don't like it.
Leave it to your lordship, my lord, but if your lordship address your lordship on that.
We'll do some research and we'll address
your lordship
on this point also.
ये chamber produce. When shall we? We'll just adjourn it whenever.
Yes, my lord.
When you're ready, we'll fix a date with us.
After 4 weeks or 3 weeks, whenever you want.
Whenever, my lord.
Whenever you want. After.
No, we will not fix a date. You intimate to the registry if every one of you are ready, then
Very
we'll
good.
My lord. My lord.
Because again, you have to constitute, no? It's not.
My lord.
Yes.
Again, we sit and you are not ready, it may not be proper.
Yes, ma'am.
So submit that they require time to make further submissions in the matter. Hence, at their request, the matter stands adjourned. Just keep it like that so that you can. Anybody else is arguing this matter?